All right, today we're in Stamford, Connecticut, Harbor Point to be exact. One of the hottest up and coming neighborhoods in Stamford. You got luxury condos, luxury real estate. All this stuff is expensive. This is where all the New Yorkers come when they want to escape Brooklyn because the rent's too high. Thing is, this real estate here holds its fucking value, for lack of better terms. So we're gonna kind of stroll the neighborhood, kind of explain to you why a lot of New Yorkers are always coming here. The prices ain't cheap. You ain't getting in, you ain't buying into Stamford for less than 600, 700, period. A lot of these spots are rentals. It's probably gonna be difficult to buy down here. If you buy a condo in Harbor Point, I'm just gonna say like 750. That might be wishful thinking. You're gonna be at, let's say you do 750, 20% down is 150,000, 9,000 in property taxes. Guys, I'm spitballing this, right? Which is 750 a month. It's fucking hot, bro. Sheesh. You're at 47, 42 on the mortgage, but this is where the condo living gets tricky, right? 47, 42 plus 750, I'm gonna say for common charges. You're at 54.92 to live in Harbor Point. That's probably like a 2-bedroom. I'm guessing here. Where are my Stamford real estate agents at? I guess we're gonna call it mass migration, right? So what happens is New Yorkers move to Stamford, drives the prices up in Stamford. The Stamford residents can't afford it, so they're forced to go down to middle of Connecticut, right? You bring your family to Stratford, you bring your family to Trumbull, and the prices are gonna go up. That's how you leverage the market. You don't sit and wait for prices to go down, especially in a spot like Stamford, especially in Harbor Point. You just migrate, right? Middle of Connecticut, where the prices are decent, but they're gonna go up because New Yorkers are slowly trickling down there. They've always been historically, it's cheaper. So you go to middle of Connecticut, you buy a property for a little bit cheaper, that's it. You're sitting on a gold mine. They're cashing out, moving up, rinse and repeat. That's how you make money in real estate, baby. It's hot out this biatch. Look how beautiful it is, bro. Real estate is all about getting uncomfortable, right? You buy somewhere, you chill there for 2 years, who knows, you might even fall in love with that neighborhood. But then you rent it out. You live in it for a little bit, you rent it out. It's all about sacrifice, bro. All about sacrifice. This is what you need to be afraid of. Financing a car, right? So many people are not scared to finance a car, but they're deathly scared to purchase a property and get a mortgage. The dumbest shit I ever heard, it's backwards. Comfort is the enemy of making money, my friend. You gotta put the money where it's gonna compound for you. Get your finances in order. Listen, don't at me, don't call me, don't text me. You might not be ready. Get your finances in order. That means how much are you saving? Write a budget sheet. How much can you afford per month, right? And you just stack it up. And then you call me, and then we figure it out. We put you in a good loan where you could afford. You might be in Stratford for a little bit, bro. Then you're gonna rent the thing out and make probably $1,500 a month. Come back to Stamford. Someone will be paying your rent here. It's getting hot in her. So you might already be sitting on equity right now. A couple $100,000, $300,000, but you need the knowledge, right? You need to know what to do, how to go about making that money work for you. That's where I come in with the knowledge, and that's where we help you, right? Get a good loan, maybe have the loan that you have now work for you on your next purchase, and so forth. That's what I'm here for. You're not gonna know it, you don't do it every day, I do.